Stephen, how are you?
Hey, Kevin.
So what did we find when you started digging around in this place?
We found some armored cabling throughout the house, and it's time for it to go.
Was that expected? I mean, the house is from 1860s. That's a little later than 1860s,
Yeah,
right?
I'd say this would be around the 1930s. So I thought I would have seen knob and tube, which was the first generation of a wiring system, but it looks like they went straight from gas-powered lights to BX cabling.
So we didn't find any knob and tubing in the house, although given the date it was built, we could have if they hadn't skipped over this entire generation.
Correct.
And that armored shielding wire is an improvement over this.
That's right. The knob and tube wiring was a single conductor that was ran on the inside of a stud bay.
So you would have had to install the knobs to hold the wire on the outside, and if you wanted to go through, you had to drill for the tubes.
Correct.
And like you said, twice basically for every circuit.
Very laborious.
Okay,
Correct.
and then this is a lot better.
And then in this house we have BX cable and basically both conductors in one jacket with a protection, a mechanical protection on the outside, and you can pull this right through the structure to wherever you need it to go.
And we're going to make a further improvement over the BX with what we're putting in now.
Correct. What we're putting in now is an M cable, non-metallic cable.
So it's got sort of a rubber plasticky sheathing now,
Correct.
not metal. And
Correct. It's so much easier to work with, and you will see it has the two conductors plus the ground, and it's clearly identified in yellow, indicating that this is for 20 amps.
And so all of the armored shield comes out.
Yep.
All of the NM goes in. How long will it take for you to get all of this out and give us temporary power?
We should get a majority of it done by today. With everything being nice and open, the guys made it really easy for us.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.